I'm going to be doing my very first video, so I hope you enjoy. I'm going to be doing various things. I've got a couple of little jobs that I want to get done today. One of the main jobs is levelling my two machines. I've got some anti-vibration rubber, like rubber padding that I got off eBay, and I'm going to be putting that under 4 parts of the machine just to level them off, and obviously when I'm working on them it stops the vibration, makes everything run a bit better. So I'm going to be putting up a shelf above my lathe. I'm going to be installing this LED strip light to give me a bit better sight when I'm working on the machine, because the light that is on the machine doesn't actually work at the moment, so I'm going to be stripping that off as well. So I'll be putting that underneath the shelf. It'll give me better footage as well when I'm filming machining videos on my lathe, so that's going to be one thing I'm going to be doing. Yeah, you join me on a very cold winter's day, start of January. Happy New Year everyone. So welcome to my channel, and let's get right into it. Question doesn't work. I'm replacing this shelf there, strip light, job done. These two brackets, they'll go straight on the wall, somewhere around there and around there. Shelf will sit on top. All my turning tools, lathe stuff can all go on top, and then light underneath. Let's get cracking. The light up installed, done all the wiring. I didn't film that because it was a bit of a mess about. Just went along the beam there, down to the plug that I've got there, put a 3-way fused socket doodah in there, and see if it works. Boom! Nice one. Right, so that's the first job done. I've got my shelf up, got the light on there, works lovely. Give me a lot better light over this machine, seeing as that doesn't work. I still need to take that off, but I can do that another time. Just a case of taking this bracket off the back of here, taking the light assembly off, and sorting the wiring out on it. I've already got centre tools, revolving centre, some turning tools, some bits and bobs. Got a couple of chucks there, got a 3-jaw chuck that I'm going to refurb eventually, and a little 4-jaw chuck that goes on this machine. There's another chuck down there that I need to put up there. Got like a spanner for doing my tool post, chuck keys, blah blah blah. So now that that's done, machine's all set up, light can turn on, I can crack on getting these machines levelled and the rubber underneath them, and yeah, so let's crack on. So, you start tidying up, pull everything out, pull the chip tray off, and then we can start lifting the machine and start the rubber underneath. is on its rubbers. Now it's time for the lift. So, same again, sweep everything round, pull all the stuff out that's around the machine. We can just jack it up from either side with a bit of wood, slot the rubber underneath the feet, and it's done. Let's crack on. Well, that's both machines levelled, sorted out. I've put everything back, tidied up, had a sweep up in the shop and everything. So tested both machines, they're both pretty level. This is quite a new building, but it's really flat. So that's that done. Done the shelf, obviously got the lights set up and all that as well. So really pleased with the progress I've made on my workshop today. And thank you for joining me in the first episode of many, hopefully. I think the next episode is probably going to be an episode where I do a bit of machining. I've got this CB500 head that needs a skim, and it needs the valves reseating, and it needs new valve stem oil seals putting in. So I'll be doing that probably in the next episode. So join me then. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. That would be really good. I'm a new channel, so any help that I can get, and also any constructive criticism will go a long way as well. Any of you guys that have got channels that have done a lot of videos, done a lot of editing, this is my first time videoing myself and editing my own videos, so any help is much appreciated. So anything you want to add, leave in the comments below, and again, thanks for watching.